Now, customizing a folder in Mac is way more easier than ever. Not only you can change the color, but you can also add icons or emojis to that particular folder. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to customize a folder, I do have one folder over here on my desktop, but I'll still create a new folder. And the customization option which I'm going to show you in this video is only available with macOS 26 or macOS Tahoe. So if your Mac is not updated to macOS 26 or Tahoe, please make sure to update it. Okay, now let's talk about customization. If I want to customize this folder, just simply select the folder. Either you can tap with 2 fingers, or you can right click on the trackpad and select customize folder option. Now if you want to change the color of the folder, you have multiple tags over here. If I choose red, then the folder color will change to red. If I select orange, then it will change the color. So you can choose whichever color you want. And if you don't want any particular color, if you want to, go back to the default color, which is this blue color, then you can simply select this icon which says remove all tags. As soon as I select that, it will go back to the default color. For now, let's keep it purple. So yeah, this is how easy it is to change the color. Now let's talk about how to add icons and emojis. So you get multiple icons over here, and they are of different categories. So you get people, animal and nature. If you go down, you have food and drink, activity, and travel and places, and much more. So if you have a folder in which you keep all your important documents, then you can just simply go down and look for a specific icon by which you can simply identify that I have document in this particular folder. So if I select this particular icon, you can see after selecting the icon, I'm able to see that on the folder. Similarly, you can choose any different icon or any specific icon which you want. Now, if you don't want any particular icon, then you can simply select this clear option. It will remove the icon. But if you want to add emoji, you do get emoji option as well. So if you select emoji, you will get a pop-up screen like this. You can add any particular emoji which you want. Now I have selected cake over here, and it is displaying cake emoji on folder. You can search for any particular emoji as well. So if I want to search for fire, I can select the fire emoji, and it has been added to that particular folder. Again, if you don't want to do any customization, again you can select clear option over here. It will help you to remove the icon and emoji. And if you don't want any color, just simply select remove all tag option. So it will go back to the default color. So yeah, that's how simple it is to customize folder in Mac this time. Again, let me remind you that this customization option is only available with macOS Tahoe and macOS 26. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.